Do you believe that exercise alone will be the factor that will see you succeed in your weight loss or muscle gain goal? If you do, I have news for you. How many hours do you spend at the gym or exercising at home, cycling, etc. every week? Let's say you spend 1 hour 4 times a week. That's 4 hours a week working hard to achieve your goals, which might be weight loss, muscle gain, or just to stay in shape. It might be a big part of looking and feeling better, but it is not the deciding factor when it comes to losing weight and feeling great. If you do spend an hour a day doing some type of exercise, that therefore means you spend another 23 hours not exercising. And what you do during those hours will play a much bigger role in your success than what you were doing for that 1 hour. Nutrition is hugely important because it plays a major factor in what will get you to your goals. Nutrition is not just about how you look, it is also about how you feel. If you feel sluggish and tired, it is directly related to what you ate and/or your sleep quality. If you feel energetic and productive, it is also directly related to what you ate and/or how good your sleep was. Here's how my nutrition program works. Step 1, you book an appointment. Step 2, I create your custom nutrition plan. Step 3, you see amazing results. Make today the day you decided to take that next step and book an appointment. I look forward to meeting you.